You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is a greater than 8. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the a. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4/1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is a greater than 8.